Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price movement very, very straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize this for me quickly, I would say an absolute pump and dump. Now, I don't know anything about the company, so I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this is some shady company being run out of some Somalian attic. I am making that statement based solely on how the price itself acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started or lower. So let's first just kind of define where all this started. And in my mind, it started when it broke out from kind of this previous channel right here at, what was that mark? $4.05, give or take. But you can see through the history of the chart, several times the price tried to get up above that point, and just time and time again, it was just rejected, rejected, and rejected. So that was definitely a key point to break through. And actually, that point was broken through on Friday. So that's where the move started, and then it carried on into today, where this morning with a gap up, like I said, applying the definition, the price started there. It then went up that high, and then it went up that high this morning. I think we can all agree that was a pretty, very, very nice move. Next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the time frame of a single day, I'm assuming we can all agree this happened in a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So where did it all start? Well, we already established that. It started right here. Where did the price ultimately close today? Way down there. In fact, it got so bad today that the price is literally down below the range where it was before the price even started. I mean, the bottom of that previous range was up here, and yet the price is down in this area of the chart. That is just the epitome of a pump and dump. And yeah, never good to see these happen. And I'm sure there's some newer traders that got stuck and then they never decided to get out, and it is what it is. But am I saying the price can never, ever make a good move again? I'm not saying that. But as far as the price movement that happened, last week and then into the gap up today, yeah, there is no true power behind it. Just an absolute pump and dump. And if you've heard the term pump and dump and not quite sure what that means, here you are right here, a great example of it. So we'll see if the bulls can recover or not, but definitely not a good way to start off the week for this one. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.